talk about the 4 steps plan to nail these questions. Step 1, क्या आपने कहना है, okay, what is the question asking? Is it about the whole passage or is it just about the one underlined sentence? जल्दी से summarize करना. Step 2 is summarize fast. For the whole passage, एक line के अंदर get the core idea. For example, in a couple of words say कि what's it about and how it flows. Like it explains the problem and then fixes it. Is it if it is an underlined sentence, look at that specific sentence and think, what is it doing here? Is it an example, a contradiction, a conclusion? Step 3 is guess the answer. For overall purpose, the author wants to explain why this matters. For overall structure, it starts with a fact and then give examples. For part to whole, this sentence shows what happened next. Pick the best answer. Check the choices and find out the one that fits your guess. Cross out any answers that talk about stuff that is not in the passage. Only cover half the passage but miss the rest. Say the wrong thing, for example, like contrast when it is really an example. Top tips to ace this. Look for clue words, words like however, for example, in conclusion. Keep it simple. If it's an underlined question, just focus on the underlined sentence. Be picky. If an answer is close but adds extra stuff, skip it. Stay on track. Only answer what the questions ask. Do not get lost in the whole passage.